Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next.
Yoruba people, listen to me. Hausa people, Igbo, I don't care the tribe you are coming from, but listen to me and listen attentively. I'm going to tell you who deserves this crown. Who deserves to be in Aso Rock? Who deserves to be the #1 citizen of Nigeria? There is no other person that deserves it. No other person. This is not about tribe. This is not about religion. And if you don't accept what I have said today and what I'm going to say today, majority of you will come after 4 years or 8 years with serious regret. You will regret it. If you don't accept my decision today, you must regret it. The youths are the future of every progressive nation. The youths of Nigeria are smart, talented, creative, and have global acceptance. Therefore, the decision of the youth must be accepted and respected by all. Our parents must, as a matter of urgency, learn and know when to draw the line. It is time for you all to retire. Stop constituting nuisance around. Stop this show of shame. Stop embarrassing yourselves. Step aside. It is the turn of the youth and not the turn of our old and aged parents. Allow this youth, for the very first time in their life, to decide their fate. Allow them to choose their leader. This is a digital world. We are in a digital era and not in an analog era. The countdown has begun. The clock is ticking. Everyone is shaking. Hearts are pounding. Emotions are rising. And for who will be the king of Aso Rock? Who is going to be the #1 citizen of Nigeria? Who does the crown fit and who will wear the crown? Everyone is seriously anticipating to know the outcome of 25th of February 2023. And that is why I have come here today. Because I want to tell most of you what you would love to hear and what most of you would not like to hear. I want to drop a reference material. Because in 2015, there was no reference material. But this is 2023. It is sacrosanct that I drop a reference material because the moment is dicey. It is very imperative that I drop a reference material because most of you are going to shout, had I known at the end of the day. I'm going to tell you who the crown fits. I'm going to tell you who to wear the crown and who is supposed to wear the crown. In the history of Nigeria, majority of you will agree with me that the youth of Nigeria do not like to engage themselves in politics. Because according to them, it doesn't concern them. But because of the way things are now, they have decided to come out to say that they need a man that has sympathy, somebody that has empathy, someone that knows how to utilize the resources, someone that knows how to manage the economy, and someone that is going to stop the sharing formula. That is what the youth want. Unfortunately, there are some group of people that don't want what the youth want. You don't want what the youth wants because what the youth want is not in your best interest. You are a selfish person. And that is why most of these spokespersons come out on a national television to defend the indefendable. You defend a market that you know that is not sellable. You defend a market that you know is obsolete. This man that you people continue defending that is not in favor of the youth, in a sane environment, in a sane society, these men are supposed to be in prison. These men are corrupt. Even the best of the earth can attest to the fact that these men are corrupt. So why do you want to sell corrupt men to the innocent youth of Nigeria? Why do you as a spokesperson always come to defend what you know should not even be defended anywhere? Because of your selfish interest. You know the truth, but you are hiding the truth from these people. You have refused to give this youth what they are supposed to use to make life meaningful for them. But this time around, they have decided to take the bull by the horn. You say you will never want what the youth want. That it must be what you want. That the youth must dance to your tone. Why? You want to recycle the cabals. You want to recycle the old men. You want to continue recycling them at the detriment of the youth. And we said no to that. The youth of Nigeria said no to this. They said no to it. You just don't want to give them anything. Yet you want to grab power. Are you power intoxicated? Who do you do power? How do they intend to grab power? These power intoxicated men, they want to use the Northerners. They are going to use the Alamajiris in the North. Because they weaponized poverty in the North. Millions of Alamajiris hovering around in the North. Where electricity have not gotten to in Nigeria, ballot boxes and papers are going to find their ways into those places. Rural areas, villages that don't have good road. They don't have accessible road. They need these poor people in the North. Haven't you seen? Are you not wondering? Why is it that the people supporting these men are majorly poor people? That is why the North is the reason why Nigeria is still impoverished. The North has been the people bringing bad leaders in Nigeria. Only the North. The Fulanis have impoverished Nigerians. They have caused poverty, pain, sorrow to Nigerians. Yet they are still power intoxicated. They still want to grab power. The one they gave you a long time, what did you do with it? You did not achieve anything with it. You came out as a failed person. This is 8 years of Buhari in power. Insecurity, poverty on increase. Everything has gone bad. I see the energy these Hausa people used to come on TV to convince their gullible members about how a Hausa person is still better than an Igbo man. How? How is an Hausa person better than an Igbo man? You destroyed Nigeria for many years. 1960, they gave you power. What did you do with it? You achieved nothing with it. You wasted time and resources. You've been wasting everybody's time since 1960. I'm talking to Fulani people. You have been wasting our time since 1960. Most of us, we are kids. We grew up, still remaining the way we are. Because you Fulani people have been wasting our time. Been wasting our resources at that. And now you still have the impetus. You have the guts, the temerity, the guts to come on a television comparing an Igbo man with a Hausa man when it comes to Asurok. You that they have given power for over many years, what did you do with it? What did you achieve with it? Nothing. You achieved nothing. You only created an imagery in the North. You don't believe in good thing in life. That is why you don't want to give the youth what they deserve. For the very first time, you know me that I don't like to defend politicians. But I get angry when I see these people talking with so much guts in them as if they have something to offer. You know you have nothing to offer. You talk with so much energy because there is Ghana must go of money waiting for you somewhere. When you finish, you have been sharing the resources of Nigeria. This man said he's going to end those sharing. He doesn't want you people to share. There is no money again. Money is finished. You have emptied the purse of Nigeria at the detriment of the youth. You emptied the purse. You share the money amongst yourself. It is only in Hausa land and in Yoruba land you'll be hearing of tribe and religion. Why I must insist that Igbo is the best tribe is because we don't care who you are. What we want is give us something that is okay, meaningful for a good living. There is nobody that is Nigerian better than an Igbo man. Yorubas, you people know what I'm saying. Hausa people are tribal bigots. They don't joke with their tribe and their religion. But we have been keeping this one Nigeria for you people. That is why you see us all over Nigeria. But yet, to elect us in office is always something that you are very scared of. Shun tribe and religion and face the reality that is facing you. You see road, but you choose to enter bush because your tribal man is inside the bush. You see drinking water, neat water, spring water, but you choose to drink dirty water, mud water, because your tribal man is drinking the dirty water. You people are too tribalistic to a fault. You don't want an Igbo man to lead you. You don't want an Igbo man to rule you, but you want to lead an Igbo man. Are you not selfish? These men that you are supporting, these men you are rooting for, don't even know that you exist. They don't know you're a human being. They don't place value on you. The youth say this is what they want. The last time I checked, the youth are the future of every generation. The youth want this, and they must get what they want either by hook or by crook. That is the law of nature. You must dance to the tone of the youth. You must dance to the rhythm of the youth. can Nigerians see a kind man but prefers a man that is very rude? How can Nigerians see a good listener but prefers a man that is very aggressive, a dictator, someone that is autocratic? How can Nigerians see a prudent man but prefers men that are problematic? All because of tribe, right? All because of religion. Mark my words. If you people continue towing this path, then you are going to miss Muhammadu Buhari. You will call Muhammadu Buhari your sweetheart. You will beg Buhari to come back. You will miss Buhari administration if you continue towing this path of tribe, religion. There are criteria to choose a good leader. The person you want to choose as your leader, there are questions you are supposed to be asking. Is that person corrupt? Is he straightforward? Is he reliable? Is he going to allow and permit freedom of speech? Is he physically, psychologically, and emotionally fit? Is your leader qualified to be the leader of a nation like Nigeria with a population of 200 million people? You know that P2B is the best amongst all of them. You know the truth, but your tribal sentiment, religion sentiment is not allowing you. You're a tribal bigot. You know that P2B is better than all these things that you present as your candidates. You know they don't match up with him. You know this. But what will you do? How can you do it when you said the same Milokan? How can you accept the truth? At the end of the day, Christians will suffer this outcome. Many of you Christians, some of them said that God have not spoken to them. Continue waiting for God to speak. You know the truth, but you will not say it because you are waiting for God. How can you say that you are waiting for God to tell you the truth? When you see light and darkness, you want anybody to tell you that this is light and this is darkness. How can a pastor like you, at this point, at this crucial time, in this perilous time, be telling your congregation that God has not spoken? That means you're not hearing from God. You must be hearing from another person. Who deserves to be the #1 citizen of Nigeria? There is no other person that deserves it. No other person. This is not about tribe. This is not about religion. And if you don't accept what I have said today and what I'm going to say today, majority of you will come after 4 years or 8 years with serious regret. You will regret it. If you don't accept my decision today, you must regret it. Listen to me. The man that deserves the crown as it stands today is no other person but P2B. He's the only person as it stands. And if you don't accept him, prepare for your doom. You must be doomed for life. I know Yorubas will not accept this. Continue deceiving people. Hausa people, Alamajiri, continue deceiving yourselves. But like I said, make sure that you keep this as a reference material, because it must remind you that I said this thing before. I told you people, this time around, I am not sitting at the fence. I am coming boldly to say it, notwithstanding the outcome of what I'm saying, that if you don't give him the crown, all of you will regret it for the rest of your lives, Christians inclusive. My name is Lisa NJ Kanu, and I speak the truth for a living, and I believe that I have passed my message today loud and clear. Thank you guys for watching.